Right, sorry about this bit here, what I was supposed to be recording at the time. I thought I was recording doing this, but my camera had turned itself off without my knowledge. So what I've done is, like this one here where I removed the whole of the light, I've just removed the middle part and left the two tabs at the end. And then I drilled a hole in it, and then glued in an LED, and I've covered that LED in some masking tape and painted it blue. I will paint again over the top just to try and mask out any extra light coming from that bit. I also put some blue across inside here and on the LED, and then I also made a little lens cover. Don't know if you can see this very well. Let me just wait for the camera to, there you go. What I made out of a bit of plastic from a brush end cover, you know, for the fine detail brushes, what they put on the ends of a brush to keep it from being damaged. I just trimmed up one of those and then cut it almost in half down the middle. I made that into lens covers, so that goes over that bit there. Let me just put it in. So there you go, it's in place, and now I'll show you it working. I've got a little 9-volt battery here. Let me just, there you go. Hope you can see that. There you go. So that's what it will look like once it's all wired, and actually has a connector on the ends of these to go into the tank. Okay. Now, another thing I found when putting on the machine gun is, one, this back bit I couldn't put on because the screws for some reason aren't long enough to go through this bit of plastic and this bit of plastic here. Also, I've had to drill 2 holes either side, so that then once on the front here, like so, could be screwed in from the rear. Another thing I had found, because I couldn't have that piece on, I had to put this bit of plastic here so that the light, machine gun bit, wouldn't just come straight through out the other end. So I put that on and made a hole around about the same size as the hole on here, so that the light could go into the machine gun and the gun could still move about. So what I'll do now is just put that together so you can see what it'll look like once it's all on. So get that back into position, back through there. Put these bits back into position. Now, just try and line this back up. Also trying to get that to line up to be square as well isn't the most easiest thing to do. And another thing is to try and see, make sure that you've got the holes on the metal part lining up with the holes here so that you can put the screws in okay. Just needs there we go. Oh, it's worn off. I'll grab one of those screws I think and just it's quite difficult to do. Where's that screwdriver? Let's try and see if I can get. Hopefully that's in. No, it's not. Right, what I'm going to do is just turn this off for the moment. You can see what I'm trying to do, but I'm just going to turn off because otherwise this is going to be a bit of a boring video. Right, so I've got that on now. As you can see, it's fairly squared up and the gun still moves, still quite good motion of movement. So that's that. Thank you very much.